We do not worry about sorrow or joy. We are the soldiers of the heavenly kingdom, prepared and ready for the fight. Bring forth the sword of blue steel, the helmet of salvation, and the shield on the arm. Oh, so